Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for May the 10th through May the 14th. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, chicken sticks and marinara sauce. Tuesday, chicken nuggets and sauce. Wednesday, hamburger or cheeseburger. Thursday, chicken leg or thigh. And on Friday, a snack bag with Go-Gurt, string cheese, Doritos, and Bug Bites. Jaguar, let's continue to work together, to wash our hands often, to wear our masks, and to continue practicing social distancing. Thank you for all your hard work as we continue to work together. Last week, we celebrated our amazing teachers, and then on Friday, our cafeteria heroes. This week, Jaguars, we get to honor our very own Nurse Laura during National Nurses Week. So Jaguars, I hope you will take the time to show her how much she means to you and to our school. You know, being a nurse is a calling, and our Nurse Laura shows us every day just how much we mean to her. Thank you, Nurse Laura, for all you do for our Jefferson family. This week, we celebrate you. Need an excuse not to cook and also support Jefferson Elementary? Well, come on out to Jersey Mike's, located at 2633 East Stone Drive, this Tuesday on May the 11th from 3 o'clock until 9 o'clock. Enjoy some great subs, and Jefferson will receive 15% from your purchase. It's a win-win. You don't have to cook, and you get to eat a delicious meal while helping support our school. So hope to see you at Jersey Mike's on Tuesday. Don't forget to support Jefferson by getting your car washed between now and June 30th at Ultimate Car Wash. Now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on May the 9th in 3rd grade is Allie C. On May the 11th in 5th grade, Sophia L. On May the 12th in 5th grade, Lily H. On May the 13th in 1st grade, Brianna C. And in 1st grade, Bentley J. Celebrating a birthday on May 15th in 1st grade is Ballard C. And in 3rd grade, Emily S. And on May the 16th in 4th grade is Alice N. Happy birthday, Jaguars. We hope you enjoy celebrating. You are an amazing gift to our world. Today, Jaguars, we're going to do things a little bit different. So make sure you watch until the end. You don't want to miss it. So now join me for some words of wisdom. One kind word can change someone's entire day. So Jaguars, will you join me today and change someone's world by sharing your kindness? At the conclusion of the slideshow, remember to join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence. You know, this past Thursday and Friday, we had an amazing field day. There was a little rain, lots of laughter, especially watching Dr. Potter and Mrs. Chase and Mrs. Wernke take a big splash several times in the dunking tank. There was loads of fun had by all. Field day was a wonderful time just being together. These 2 days happened because of a terrific leader named Mrs. Statham. Jaguars, I hope you'll take the time to let her know how much you appreciate her. And now, as you watch the next few slides, may you be embraced by the sweet memories made. And remember, it's great to be a Jefferson Jaguar.